Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2022 Cadillac XT5 Sport featured in stellar black metallic with a Kona Brown interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, wireless phone charging, hands-free power liftgate, HD surround vision, head-up display, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, and our main Bose speaker below, as well as the liftgate controls. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left, we have the power seating and lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left, we have the power park brake as well as the head-up display. Taking a look at the steering wheel, to the left, we have the cruise control with forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and the heated steering wheel. To the right, we have our cluster as well as audio controls. We can turn the vehicle on. Take a look at the infotainment system. Starting off with our navigation, here's the map. We can check out the audio here. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth.
This vehicle is in demonstration mode.
It is also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We can throw it in reverse. Check out the backup camera, HD surround vision. Below that, we have our climate controls, some storage, infotainment system controls. Here we have 2 cup holders and our wireless phone charging just below the center console. Popping that open, we have storage up top as well as a lot more down below with 2 USB plugins. Up top, you have the digital rear view mirror, as well as OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the sunroof controls. Here's the power sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the windows. Making our way to the back here, we have some XT5 and Cadillac badging. To open up the back, all we got to do is double click on the key fob. It's going to pop open for us. We have a ton of storage space back here, rear storage cover. For extra privacy, we have some lights on either side, extra visibility, and these manual controls here are to drop down the rear seats, making a ton of extra storage. And down below, we also have some hidden storage. Very spacious back here, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door, Bose speakers, powered windows, cup holder down below. Taking a look at the seats, we have a 60-40 seat split. We can hop inside. The back of each seat, we have magazine holders, storage up top, down below, and our main rear vents. Down all the way at the bottom, we have 2 USB plugins. Up at the top, handles paired with the dome light, matched on the other side there. And in the middle, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of this power sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2022 Cadillac XT5 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.